Hi guys, welcome again. Thank you for watching my videos, and it's your support that encourage me to create these videos. I create these videos mostly for the system admins who are young and new to this industry. I wanted to share my experience with them, and I wanted to let them know that though they're working in CLI, but it's not that dull or boring at all. They can make it more colorful, more useful, like the graphical one. So, as I do most of my videos related or regarding to the email related issues, but often I try to create videos on different related tools that can make our life a little bit easy and colorful. So with that note, today we are going to see some useful things. Let me open my browser and open my command line interface, and I'm so sorry. So yeah, a very common tool that is used by system admins is top. Whenever a system admin faces problem, he or she uses the top. Using the top, she can understand what particular process is using the maximum memory and what's happening behind the inside of the operating system, what is causing the trouble in the processes and in the operating systems, what is causing the trouble in the running services. So from the screen you can see there are lots of information to grasp, and if you are not a very skilled or a seasoned system admin or very experienced system admin, if I say, then it will be quite difficult for you to retrieve useful information or meaningful information from this output window. So what do we do now? Should we leave this just like this? But as a system admin, it's your responsibility to find out the problem. So therefore, as Linux is evolving more and more and being an open source, lots of developers are working day and night to make more useful tools that can be used to identify the problems and issues. So now we are going to see another tool that we can use in place of top that can give us some more meaningful informations that we can grasp. So let's just let me just duplicate this one. Okay, so here we are running the top. Besides running the top, what we can do, we can also run a stop. If we run a stop, as you can see, it is a little bit more organized. Here we can see the uses of memory, the swap memory, and the other things, the processors, the tasks, and uptime, and some useful informations in a lot colorful way so that we can understand them better. If we compare them, you can see the top and the a stop. So now you can understand that okay, htop can be a little bit better in terms of the visibility, in terms of the representation of the information. So definitely htop can be a helpful tool for you to diagnose and understand the issues that is happening inside of your operating system. But is there anything better than top or htop? Let's try something different. Let me duplicate this tab. Okay, I'm going to install another app, that is apt install btop. Okay, apt is not available there, so let's try snap. By the way, Ubuntu is wholeheartedly endorsing snap inspire rather than flatpak. So maybe in future we are going to see snap will be shipped with all the with all the Ubuntu versions rather than any other what I can say package manager or the package inventory. So okay, btop is installed, so let's run btop. And now you can see here btop is showing you a lot more information in a lot more organized way. So you can see there are CPU model number and the CPU related informations and some other things. By the way, you can customize these things, like if I hit 1 then it removes the CPU. If I again hit 1 it brings the CPU back. And here I can see the IP address as well as the network activity. So you can see that top, htop and btop. So the evolution of diagnosing the process and underlying systems and services in Linux has gone too far. It provides you many sophisticated tools that can help you to understand your system in a better way, and by understanding your system you can diagnose them. Okay, let's see another tool and let's check if that can be any useful or not. For that we need to install apt install bottom. Okay, bottom is still not available in apt, so we are going to use snap. Okay, it is installed. Now we are going to use bottom. Okay, it is not saying that. Okay, okay, it says bottom. Okay, so now you can see in a different layout the whole top or htop or the btop version of the output. So yeah, this is the thing, and I let you decide which one is better for you, which one you can use in a more useful fashion to understand your issues. So yeah, there is network disk, but there is no data in the disk. So RAM, swap, memory, and okay, let me close this one. And if I do bottom minus help, it will show me many things. Dot marker, default username c4, default username, and many other things, okay. By the way, if I do bottom minus help or the man bottom, both will give me the manual of this command. Man bottom, no manual entry for bottom. Okay, fine. Let's do something different. TLDR bottom, no TLDR entry for bottom. Okay, so we have to rely mostly for the help. We can see the version from here, and okay, there are rate limit, regex, Kelvin, temperature type to Kelvin, groove, enable GPU memory, disable advanced kill, and many other things. So these are the things. Okay, so yeah, so this is the thing. So I let you decide which one can be very useful for you. So yeah, this is the thing that I wanted to share it to you. By the way, if we look closely, we can see here informations, but if we check the htop, then we can set up nice or kill the process id using the keys, but I didn't see anything like here. But there are some thing here. Top, okay, let then bottom kill, bottom, yeah, send signal 9 to create is 7411, no, 7411 btop, a stop. Okay, if we do a stop, okay, btop top, btop, a stop, terminate. Yes, yeah, you can see the stop is terminated. So yeah, this is the thing that I wanted to share it to you, and I hope guys these tools can be useful for you. So just play with them and let me know your feedback so we can find more tools like this. And yeah, okay, by the way, let me show you one more thing. Let me duplicate this tab and let speed test. Okay, if we want to do a speed test from our server, what we can do? Okay, let me open a tab, speed test. Okay, this is pretty annoying, like okay, let's select Opla and let's go to the bottom. Here you will find the command line interface. In the command line interface, there are instructions for different operating system. For Ubuntu, we need to do this: install curl. We have curl. Yeah, we have curl, so we do not need to install curl. We just need to do this: copy. Okay, and then let me see, everything is running. Yeah, everything get update. After that, we are going to install the speed test. So by the way, guys, what are your thoughts about the um, upcoming event that Zimbra open source edition is going to be end of life? So you should hurry up and migrate your system from Zimbra open source to other platform. And I will wholeheartedly endorse uh, Dextra's Carbonio Community Edition. If you have small and medium sized organization with less mailboxes, then it's good. If you have many mailboxes, then I will recommend you to check out the Carbonio advanced version with lots of advanced features. So yeah. Okay, now we did the speed test. Now if we run the speed test, accept the license, yes, yeah, it is doing the speed test. Let me check here what happens here. Yeah, you can see here CPU menu preset, and if we see here CPU memory network, no, it's not displaying the thing properly, network, but here we can see some data, but okay, so this is the result. But if we copy this one and paste it into any browser, it will show us the same thing that it found in this test. Now okay, if we do speed test minus help, it will give us many options. So if we see, let's take a look at the list of servers. speed test -L. It is showing all the list from Bangladesh. So yeah, and okay, so you can test from anywhere. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you find this video useful and rather more entertaining than useful. So with that note, I want to finish this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comments that if you are interested to know about any particular topic, let me know. And by the way, if you need any help, do not hesitate to contact me. As I said earlier, that the consultation is completely free. I would love to talk to you guys. I would love to have a discussion with you about any issue that will help me to understand in real life scenarios. I do not know everything. Frankly saying, I do not know everything. I try to learn, I try to get a solution of them. And one more thing, if you want any help regarding migrating your server, never hesitate to contact me. So with that note, thank you so much guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.